Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is December 5th, 2024, and we're providing an in-depth analysis of Meta stock, considering both recent news and technical chart patterns. Recent news shows Meta hitting record highs, with positive sentiment surrounding AI ad revenues and VR expansion. Let's see how this is reflected in the charts. Looking at the daily chart, we observe a consistent upward trend over the past few months. Notice the significant price increase from around 300 to over 600. This suggests strong bullish momentum. However, there are periods of consolidation and minor corrections, indicating potential resistance levels. The price seems to find support near the 500 level and resistance near 600. Let's zoom in on the past month's action on the daily chart to better understand recent price fluctuations. The recent price action shows a slight pullback. However, the overall trend remains bullish. We can see support holding around 560 and resistance near 600. To further refine our analysis, let's examine the 1-hour chart. This will allow us to identify shorter-term trends and intraday price movements. The 1-hour chart displays more volatility, showing frequent fluctuations. However, the upward trend from the daily chart is still visible here. There are short-term support and resistance levels that are important to consider for short-term traders. Support and resistance levels on the 1-hour chart are highly dynamic and change frequently. For the short term, we see support near 550 and resistance near 575. Now, let's shift to the 15-minute chart for an even closer look at the recent price action. The 15-minute chart shows a high degree of short-term noise. However, by observing the overall trend in relation to the 1-hour and daily chart, we still see the bullish sentiment continuing. Based on our analysis, we identify key support at approximately 550 on the 1-hour chart, 560 on the daily chart, and resistance at 575 on the 1-hour and 600 on the daily chart. Short-term predictions suggest a potential price increase with a high likelihood of reaching 580 in the coming days. This prediction is reinforced by positive news and the current upward trend. However, a significant bearish event or a failure to break through resistance near 600 could lead to a pullback. If the price closes below 560, this would weaken the bullish momentum. Long-term, the prediction is for continued growth, though volatility is expected. The 600 level remains a key resistance level to watch for a sustained long-term breakout. Any break above 600 would reinforce this. Things to look for include news related to AI, VR, and any regulatory changes. A breakout above the 600 level on the daily chart would signal a major bullish confirmation. Remember, this analysis is for educational purposes only. Always conduct your own research and consider your risk tolerance before making any trading decisions. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts.